Struggling to juggle meetings and deadlines in Teams? Let's unlock the power of the Teams calendar to streamline your schedule and boost collaboration, all in just 90 seconds. First, find the calendar icon in the left sidebar of your Teams app. It looks like a calendar page. Click it to access your Teams calendar. Teams seamlessly syncs with your Outlook calendar, bringing all your appointments into one place. You should see your existing meetings already populated. To schedule a new meeting, click the New Meeting button in the top right corner. A new meeting window will pop up. Give your meeting a title, add required attendees by typing their names or email addresses, and select the date and time. You can also add optional attendees. For team-specific meetings, use the Add Channel option to post the meeting directly in a relevant Teams channel. This keeps everyone in the loop. Need a recurring meeting? Click the Does Not Repeat drop-down to set the meeting to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or even create a custom recurrence. In the Details section, add an agenda to keep the meeting focused and productive. You can also attach relevant files. Use the Scheduling Assistant tab to find the best time for everyone. It shows you the availability of attendees, making scheduling conflicts a thing of the past. Before sending, explore the meeting options to control lobby settings, presenter roles, and more, giving you greater control over your meeting experience. Once everything looks good, click Send to send out the meeting invite. Attendees will receive a notification and the meeting will appear in their calendars. You can right-click on any meeting in your calendar to join, edit, cancel, or view the details. Easy peasy. Pro tip: share your availability. Take meeting notes directly in Teams and record meetings for those who can't attend. Teams calendar is your hub for seamless scheduling, and that's how you master the Teams calendar. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to supercharge your teamwork. Now go schedule some awesome meetings.